Hey guys, how's it going? How to make viral shorts with Revid.ai. Creating viral shorts with Revid.ai involves leveraging its AI-driven tools to produce engaging, visually appealing, and shareable short-form content. So first of all, plan your content, right? Next, viral shorts are typically 15 to 60 seconds long, and focus on the hook, right? Make sure that you focus on the hook. Start with the attention grabbing moment or statement in the first 3 seconds. That depends on your script, of course. And then tailor for platform, right? You could choose from TikTok short or reel generator, or add caption to a video, or YouTube clip maker only, right? Design your video for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Aspect ratio 9:16 typically, right? And the voice and the genre. And basically, after you click generate the video, you're gonna be able to see your videos right here generated, right? You could go ahead into your project, right? Use the auto cropping tool to convert your video into 9:16 vertical format, and you're gonna be able to see it right here generated 9:16 for social media, right? And ensure the subject remains centered and visible throughout the video. Okay, and if you want to edit for engagement, go ahead and edit the part of this video, or add another media if you didn't like this video or image that's been added by Revid AI. Okay, make sure that you apply an eye-catching effect. You can go ahead and click right here the overlays at the top and add your own effects to make the video look shiny or look more attractive for the viewer, so you can grab attention. And adjust speed. You can go ahead and select your frame and click the pencil right here to adjust the speed. You could just right here uncheck mark this lock, and let's say 2.5 seconds if you want this part to last 2.5. Okay, and incorporate trending audio. Add popular music tracks or sound effects to boost virality. You could go ahead to the audio. If you have one, you could just go ahead and add one from your library. Okay, and use AI template. Select pre-designed template for shorts to streamline the editing process. We already did that with the creating the video, as we mentioned before. Or you can go ahead, and if you didn't like the stock image or videos, you can go ahead to your stock video and select one right here to see more if you want to add more to your videos. Okay, you can add it to your videos, for example, right? So basically trim unnecessary parts. If there is an unnecessary part of the video, you could just go ahead and delete the slide, or trim it and add another basically clip. Okay, and after you preview, right, after you review the video and ensure everything looks polished, export the video by clicking export at the top right in high resolution, optimized for social media platforms. And then basically you can go ahead and click export video. Tips for going viral: incorporate trending topics, sounds, or challenges. Use relatable humor, emotion, or compelling storytelling. Add logos, watermarks, or consistent color schemes, and share your shorts when your target audience is most active. So you can do that while posting TikTok video or Instagram video, because they have that filter already there. So you can do that before you publish your video or challenge. So make sure that you engage with the upcoming trends. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.